no place like home. I found Arnold Jr. Very, very excited about this. What's up, internet fam? Good morning. So, as you guys can see from the background, we are not in the new house. We are currently in LA in the old apartment. We had to go back here to pick up some things. Right now, I want to show you guys my new hair. I told you in my last vlog, so I got a haircut. You guys saw in the last vlog, and I told you guys that I would show you in the next vlog. So here it is. Here, let me fix it really quick. I feel like to you guys it's not gonna look too crazy because I haven't straightened my hair in a really long time. Before the haircut, I think my hair was all the way down here, but you guys couldn't really tell because it was either in a bun, curled, or inside a hoodie. I don't know. So I feel like to you guys it doesn't really look like I cut it, but I did. I think I cut off like maybe 3 inches, and then we added the bangs. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you would have seen that. So really liking it. I think I just feel like I'm more myself when I have short hair. So really excited about this. I haven't straightened my hair in a really long time, so it feels kind of weird. That's why I'm like playing around with it too much, but I plan on going a little bit more blonde, but we'll see how it goes. This is what it looks like right now. So yeah, we're back in the old apartment, and it's really sad being here. I don't know, it's really sad because it's empty, and you know, lots of memories. We're inside the old bedroom. It's kind of dirty right now. We still need this to get clean, but this is what the bedroom looked like. This is where the bed used to be. Closet, bathroom, right over here. And the old bathroom, so sad. Yeah, I don't know, it feels really weird and sad because it's empty. And I don't know, just lots of memories. So for those of you who've moved or has gone through the process of like moving, doesn't it feel weird to go back where you used to live and it doesn't look the same anymore? That's what it feels like. Like it's the same, but not really. Oh, the crazy thing is it hasn't even been a week. By the time you guys see this video, I'm not sure when I'm posting this, but today is a Saturday, and it's only been 6 days since we moved, so it hasn't even been that long, but it seriously feels like it's been like 2 months already. I don't know why I feel this way, but that's how it feels. It feels strange. I found Arnold.
Yeah, it's so weird being here, huh?
Doesn't it?
I feel sad because like I still imagine this place as home, and when you come here, you open the door, everything's empty. It feels like it's been deserted for like a long time, and it's just like a sense of like loneliness here.
That's so true. I don't know why though.
I don't know.
I told them it hasn't even been long.
Yeah.
Today's day 6.
Yeah.
Of us leaving this place.
And the sad part about it is that when we were here, you know, we obviously, Junior and Barry and like you know, was here, so we felt like a lot of love in, you know, in the apartment, but now it's like this like emptiness. Like it doesn't even feel like home anymore.
I think it's because we're doing a really good job making the new house very homey, and that's moving along very quickly.
Yeah.
That's starting to feel like home, so now it's like, whoa, this feels strange.
Yeah.
This is the old office. Let me show you guys. The old office.
This was my section. This is where my table used to be. Right here.
My section right here, where this mark is. That's Arnold's side. It's so sad.
And this is how we used to sit.
Yep.
Editing our videos.
That's where Arnold films his Urban Lab videos.
Yes.
This was where my makeup collection was, my vanity. Bathroom over there.
In the middle of the room would be Hart's filming spot.
Yeah, that's where I used to film, right here. And then this is, in one of my recent videos, I now have a garland thingy, and it was like right here, and then the sofa was right here, so. So crazy, huh, love?
I know, it's insane.
It's so crazy being here. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. So for those who's been curious, who's been asking, and who's been wondering, we still live in Southern California. I think a lot of people thought that we were gonna move to a different state, but no, we're still in Southern California, and that's why it's so easy for me and Arnold to go back and forth to LA, because it's far, but it's really not that far. It's still very I can't talk. It's still very doable for me or Arnold to go back to LA. That's why yeah, that's why we're here. That's why it's so easy for us to go here. So yeah, just for future reference, just wanted to let you guys know that in the future, when you see us going to LA for work or an event or visiting friends, that's the reason. Hopefully I'm making sense.
You.
Did I just make sense, Lovey?
Yeah,
okay.
it makes sense.
All right, cool. Cool. Bye, apartment. We will miss you. We'll be back. We still have this place for what? A good 2 weeks?
Yeah,
3,
more.
Maybe even 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah, we still have this place for about 2 to 3 weeks, so we'll be back for sure. So we're finally home now, and I want to show you guys this box. It's upside down right now because it has my address on it, but in my what I got for Christmas video over on my main channel, I told you guys my sister for Christmas, she got me a subscription to kawaii boxes, so it finally arrived. Here it is. I am so excited because I've waited for this for so long, ever since she told me about it, which was December 25th. So here it is. I'm going to open it up for the first time with you guys, and overall very excited, so let's do this. I have no idea what to expect. All I know is that it's gonna have super cute things, so all right, let's open this. So once you open it up, it says kawaii box, thank you, and then I believe, yeah, it has something right here. Oh, this box is actually for December 2015. I thought this was for 2016 for some reason. That's so weird. So where's my January box? It's already January. It also has a list of what's inside the box, but I'm not gonna read that because I just wanna go through it. So, here it is. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, these are so cute! Okay, right off the bat, I already saw that there's a washi tape right here. It's like a polka dotted washi tape. This is really cute. We also have a nail set, a 12-piece nail set. I don't think this is gonna fit my nails though. These are so tiny. I mean, I have tiny nails, but I don't know if that's gonna fit. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, we have this. It's like a lollipop towel? Lollipop towel. And then we also have, oh my gosh, this is adorable. Is this like an ice cream pouch? This is so cute. Let's open this up. Here is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has like faces on it. I don't really know what I would actually put inside of this because it's so tiny, but, and then we have like a little keychain. It's like a waffle donut thingy. Let's open this. Wait, is it like a, it might be a phone keychain. I'm not really sure. But this is what it looks like. Super cute. Please excuse my nails, by the way. I still haven't gotten them done. Oh my gosh, is this a cat pen? It's a kitty pen. A nail clipper. It's a kitty nail clipper. Or a dog. Is that a dog? I'm not really sure. It's a cat. Happy cat. Oh my gosh. And then we also have like this guy. Is it like some sort of notebook? I'm assuming it's like those notebooks. I used to have one of these when I was little. I don't really know what I would use this for. I'd probably give this one to Mavis or something. Stickers! I love me some stickers. So, this is what it looks like. I don't really know the characters though. Are these supposed to be like legit characters? I don't know any of them, but they're so cute though. Everything is so cute. That's why it's a kawaii box, right? This is some sort of ramen. Let's see, let's read what this is. It's a crazy ramen DIY candy kit. So it's actually candy. Okay, very, very excited about this. Is that, oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's like pot stickers or something. We have nail art right here. It just has like these hearts and ribbons. Oh my gosh, everything is so cute. I'm probably not gonna keep everything. Overall, very happy. All very cutesy things. So my office is really messy right now. You guys saw in the last vlog that Anne came over to help me organize my makeup, but I don't really have storage for all of these yet, so it's just kind of laying around till I figure out what I want to do to them. I kind of want to, I don't know, I think I'm going to go to IKEA and figure out some sort of like makeup storage slash organization. So they're just kind of chilling here for now till I figure out what I want to do. So it's kind of messy here. So these guys I also got in the mail. These are acrylic organizers. This is for lip glosses and this is for lipsticks. I got them both from Amazon. They weren't too expensive, so if you guys are interested, I'll link it down in the description box. But so far so good. I really like them. They're very sturdy. They don't really move around. See, I'm shaking them and they're not moving around too much. I don't know, I just kind of have them on here for now. I don't really know if they're going to be permanently there, but I guess I'm just gonna keep them there for now till I figure out what I want to do with them. But so far so good. I really like how they turned out. So just like I promised, here are the hardwood floors during the daytime. I told you in the last vlog that I would show it to you during the daytime, and here it is. I don't know, I feel like the camera is really not doing it justice. In real life, it's much more, it's kind of like a grayish brown color. I don't really know how it's showing up for you guys, but it's a really nice grayish brown color. Junior, what are you doing? Arnold was, I don't know if I told you guys, but Arnold was the one who chose this, and I think he did a really great job choosing it because I think it matches our house really well. It makes the room more bright and clean and fresh, in my opinion. So this is what the living room looks like. And then let me show you the living room area. As you guys can see in the corner. Junior, are you following me? Are you following me? Oh, as you guys can see to that corner right there, still a lot of boxes to still work on, but this is what the other side looks like. Very nice. Very nice during the daytime. Hi, Mr. Barry. It's so adorable. In case you guys are wondering or curious what kind of wood we used, I'll try to find it and link it in the description box. I'll do my best to search that and put it in the description box. But here, let's go on the other side. Hold on. Ta-da! Hi, Barry. Oh, you're so precious. So I also started working on the kitchen slowly but surely. The refrigerator doesn't arrive till like the first week of February, so you guys won't see that till then. And then I just have like, let's see, I just have some stuff right here. My mug collection. Here, let's open this side. Yeah! My mug collection. So we have that going on, and then we have some stuff over here. Still need to unpack some stuff, but it's slowly coming along. I'm so excited. And then here's my Nespresso. I'm very proud of my mug collection. I've been collecting mugs for a really long time now, and I'm very proud of that. I think I still have a few more in boxes, so that's not my complete mug collection just yet, but so far so good. I'm very proud of you guys. Okay, I'm going crazy talking to my mugs. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can see Barry. Oh, we bought him a new playpen thingy and he's right there. Hi, Barry. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see if we can focus on his tiny face. Let's see. Oh my gosh, he's so precious. Hi. Okay, we're being such total creepers. He looks so tiny from up here. He's like a little dot. Alright guys, so it is nighttime now. It's time to end the vlog here. I currently have my hair in a braid because I'm kind of going for that wavy look tomorrow, so I'm gonna remove the braids tomorrow and see the outcome. I haven't done this in a really long time. I think the last time, I don't even know, it's been years since I've last done this trick, so I will show you guys in the next vlog what the outcome will look like. And also I just did my skincare routine, that's why I look so oily. And what else do I have to report back? I have to look for my retainers because the gap is back. You guys noticed in the last vlog that the gap is back. It's there. So I have to look for my retainers. I lost it during the move, so have to look for that. And I think that's pretty much it. Be sure to come back because in the next vlog, pretty much this entire week is going to be crazy. I will explain to you in the next vlog what's happening. So be sure to come back for that. And yeah, that's officially it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you. Good night, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Like I promised to show you guys, here are the new flowers that the gardeners did. The sprinkles are on right now, so I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but this is what they look like.